Hello guys, welcome back to whatever this is. Actually, this is my spare room. I had to expand it into a stash room, and let me see. Let me show you where we are here. Yeah, these are some shelves I had to put up to make room for more kits. Got some metal builds coming in now over here. A bunch of P-Bandai and Gundam-based stuff. It's all mixed in. My cars are at the bottom. And I expanded off to this wall here. Over here, there's my 1/60th Barbatos resin kit. There's a Deban, I think, over here, and there's one of my other ones I just got in. My other P-Bandai stuff behind me. But yeah, in the other room, there's another 4 walls full of stuff. But let's go ahead, so you guys know, this is right next door this way is the booth and the bench where you see me film everything. But for this one, we're going to be going over a spray booth idea. So I needed the extra room to show you. But first, I was donated a kit for a giveaway from the wonderful guys at Mecca Warehouse. All right. I think it was Nick who sent me this. I says, do you want to donate a kit for a giveaway? And he did. He sent this awesome. Check this out. An awesome, I'm trying to get the camera for you guys. There it is. Full Mechanics Raider Gundam. A fairly new kit, only a couple months old, and it's a favorite design of mine. But look at this beautiful, beautiful kit. It's master grade size, 1/100th, even though it's listed as a Full Mechanics. Look at that. This is a beauty. Beautiful kit. Not many dark colored black Gundams out there either. But someone's going to be lucky enough to win that baby. Just like the video, leave a comment below. I need the comment so I can pick a winner from the comment picker, and that's how you're going to do it. No, only you guys who are tuning in to see the spray booth will know that this giveaway is a part of it, because we've been haunted by those scammers. And last time I didn't say anything in the listing, and you guys still got scammed, so I apologize, even though it's out of my control. Here it is. It's Mecca Warehouse. We're going to give these guys some love. I'll put a link below so you guys go buy some kits and some stuff off them. Great guys. Are in New England, where I'm located, and greatly appreciated. Now, on to the meat of the video, and that is a spray booth that doesn't have to cost hundreds of dollars. This is a spray booth. I still have it, and it's one I started with before I moved to the new home, and I built the room for model building. And it's this portable shelter. This is a home right, but there's all kinds of brands. They use the same exact design. And this did me quite well for quite a long time. So I'm going to show you guys how to set one up. If you don't want to spend the money, let's lower this a little bit. Come in a little bit here. All right, here we go. We're going to open this up. It springs open. That's why I'm trying to adjust the camera so you guys can see it. There we go. All right, you ready? Check this out. Zipper. All right. You see this logo? That will be the top. And we are up. Spray booth. Now that, my friends, is an instant spray booth. Now I'm going to pull the camera back here so you guys can see what we just did. Hold on one second. Sorry for shaky cam. I'm used to this thing being on a mount. There we go. Can you see it? It just sprung open. The thing weighs about a ½ an ounce total. It's meant to trap. Actually, it actually uses these ledges here to actually trap a lot of the dust as it swirls around, the paint dust. I had no problem because I'm using we're using airbrushes. But the spray cans are much heavier, and a lot of people use it for that. These are people spraying items in their house. But the secret is I added a fan. In the back, let's go around the back. This one had a trap door of sorts. Can you see the Velcro? Let's go ahead and open it up. All right. Now, I'll get you the dimensions in a second. You guys should put this on a card table. That's 48 by 48. This happens to be, there you go, 35 by 30 by 39 high. and that's it. So a 48 by 48 card table is perfect. You can actually tape it down if it's going to give you any trouble. Now, I opened the back for one reason. I wanted to vent out as much as I could instead of just using it as a shelter to keep some of the dust out. And here's what I used. A window fan, a dual, let me get the tripod out of here, a dual fan, window fan. This one's adjustable. You can blow in, you can blow out. And I'm pointing the wrong way. You know, blowing in, if you're in your house, you want to put in your window, you keep cool, but you can reverse it. Of course, we're going to reverse it, and we're going to blow out, right? So what I did was, let's get that back there. I put this back here. Mine has these little feet on it. I'll put the link for this fan. Yeah, you guys, should be in the $30 range. Some of you might even own one already. And I think Walmart has them for 25 bucks. But I'll put a link. And what I did was I cut this out. It had a mesh that came with it. My friends that use these, theirs didn't even have anything in the back. But they were happy too because they cut it out exactly. They might have used a box fan. And put a box fan right in there. And what I did was I just got some tape, duct tape, and I just secured it to this. It's pretty flexible. Wrapped it around it. And in front of it, here's what I put. These here, these are from Walmart, cheap. I think this was $5, $5.90 for 5. All right, let's take one out. And I'll show you another alternative too. All right, and I did a little duct tape magic work like that. I taped it and I hinged it so I can lift it up, turn it on, and push it down. There's also one with a remote, and you can use a remote. That's a little more money. I'll put a link for both. And that's it. Now you turn on your fan, boom, you got a spray booth, instant spray booth. Now you don't have to use these filter pads. You can use this roll, which I used to use in my old booth. It fit really good. I happen to have an extra. You cut it out to shape and just tape it to the front. This is Aquarium Filter Pad. And I got this on Amazon too. This is cheap too. I'll put a link for this up too. See that? And you just tape it across the fan. And that's it. Now you can hang, I have the lights above me, LEDs, and it lights up this room pretty well. And then this comes all the way to the edge. You can lay it over the edge. And if you're going to do heavier paints, I recommend you go with a box. I originally took a large box. I'm coming in the back here again. See where exhaust comes out? And I put a box on my a little separate table I had. Put a big cardboard box. Put some vent holes in it because when the fan's blowing in it, you need the air to go somewhere. And I filled it with rags and paper towels. And it caught all the dust when I was doing heavier stuff like a spray can or two. I wasn't going super heavy with it, because you're only going to do so much with this. But this will work. This will get you guys by. And that's what I did. Now, also, because it's portable and pretty big, can you see it? What I did was, you just bring up my Rudy Tooty here from Spray Gunner. And there it is. Now, I just sat right here and I did all my painting. And it works. And then you can take this thing down when you're done. Look, you can just pop it down and put it back in that little package if you're going to spray once a week. And I think this is a really good solution. And I should have did this video a little early. I did one years ago before the channel became popular. And maybe it's lost in the feed. But I wanted to put this up for you guys and because it's a really good savings of money. The most important thing, if you're going to get started, is to get a good compressor and a decent airbrush. But you still need the booth. And without dropping another $200 on a booth, you get this baby. $30. And the fan is an extra. And then that's it. You're good to go. And you get yourself a booth. Now, this is pretty big. Let me show you how big it is. We'll put the Gundam kit for the giveaway in here. All right, we'll pull back a little bit. Look how big that is. Isn't that great? Check that out. And it had a lot of room because off to the side I would put the pieces as I was painting them and kept going. And yeah, that's it. You can stand up when you did it. Depends on the height of your bench. Of your table. I used to sit down. I like to sit down when I did a lot of them. And before I was sitting down, I wanted to try it right away. I was standing up for quite a while. I actually stood up and did a lot of my painting. And it depends on what you guys' preference is. But yeah, that's it. It was a quick video. I wanted to show you the spray shelter. I'll put a link below. There's some that go even bigger. Some you could stand up inside. Some are like 8 feet tall. I don't know, they're giant. You put like whole pieces of bureaus and furniture in them. But, of course, a little big for us. We just want to spray our kits. You know, I think this is the smallest they make. They might be smaller, but this is the proper size, particularly if you're going to ventilate it out. And, yeah, that's it, guys. That is all. I wanted to do a quick video on this. I think this is a nice item. I wanted to get it out to you. Plus, we had the kit come in from, hold on, from Mecca Warehouse. There we go. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I got more giveaways coming, you know. Oh, don't forget, you got to leave a comment so you guys can, so I can pick a winner out of that. And I'm going to have another airbrush compressor comparison coming up. I got a low-priced tank version. We're going to try that out, see how it compares to the 2D and the Fortress. So that's coming up too. But the next video is an airbrush with a built-in compressor. We're going to try that and really test, show it to be a winner, another money saver for you guys. You guys are going to be happy with this product. And that's it. All right, guys. I'll put links to everything below. Don't forget to join my Patreon. I just launched it about a week ago. And a few have already joined. I've already put some videos up. I'm answering questions directly on short videos and putting it back up. So you're getting like a personal assistant with a video response. That's what I'm doing with the channel. And we'll do more stuff as it goes along. But pretty excited. It also helps support the channel. And it helps me ship out this stuff. Because this is like, this stuff, you know, is 15, 20 bucks just to mail that. You know, so it helps with postage. So any help is a big deal. And one more thing. Here. My Mecca Empire acrylic panel liners, neons, are back in stock in these new jars. Leak proof. I was told they were leak proof. Those are back in at Gundam Pros. And my regular enamel neons, if you guys want to paint the eyes and stuff for glowing, whereas this is more for panel lining, this can actually be painted and airbrushed. So if you want to airbrush as accents to the panel lines, I would get my enamels. And those are also available at Gundam Pros. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for sticking around. I'll put the links for everything. Very happy to show you this spray booth, as it's done me quite well for a few years, leading up to where the current bench is right now. Thank you, guys. Have a great rest of your weekend. We'll see you in a couple days. Got a lot more videos to go, probably at least 3 videos this week. And things have been rolling. I want to thank you guys for sticking around for me. I appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.